Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you how to give the illusion of flying. This is a behind the scenes look of my setup. You can see my phone here, it's just placed on the ground against a wallet and some rocks, so nothing fancy here. I wanted it super low to the ground so that you could see the puddle and the reflection. If it was at a higher up angle, you wouldn't be able to see the reflection in the puddle, so feel free to shoot on a tripod if you don't want any puddle reflections. So we're actually going to shoot this in a video format using Apple's video camera. So we're not going to be using Life Lapse to shoot it. However, we will be using Life Lapse to edit it. And the reason for this is it's going to be very hard for you to take a photo at the perfect spot each time you jump. Tap and hold the screen so that the auto exposure and auto focus locks. This is to avoid it re-exposing every time you move in and out of frame. You're going to start completely out of frame, and the concept of this is you're literally just doing the exact same jump and then stepping forward. Jump, step forward. You can do some turning if you want. Just make sure you're doing very small step forwards between each jump, so that when you play it back at a high speed, it gives the illusion that you're flying. So now you're probably wondering, okay, how do we cut out all the walking bits? Open up the video on your Apple camera roll, and what we're going to do is use the slider at the bottom to drag the video. Make sure you hit pause so that when you release this, it doesn't keep playing, because what we're going to do is we're going to take screen grabs of each scene, of each step. So the first step is the scene's completely empty. See how I tapped on the screen there so that it removed the bottom play bar and the information bar. Once that's removed, you screen grab it and then push it to the side and it will save. Now you're just going to scroll over, get the next shot. So I'll be in the frame a little bit for this shot. Scroll it over. And what we're doing here is we're dragging it to where my feet are in the air. So you want it to be in the same spot for each clip when you're screenshotting it. So that's why it's important that you have a consistent jump each time. The point that I'm screenshotting is when my feet are pretty much, like my legs are at a 90-degree angle. Tap on the screen and